Hi, I'm Meaghan Moody. I'm the Immersive Technologies Librarian for Studio X, which is a new hub for immersive technologies coming to the first floor of Carlson Library this fall of 2021. Today we are opening an Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headset from Facebook, and this will be available in Studio X for students, faculty, and staff to check out, to use in the space, or you can also take it home with you back to your dorm for a few days. And you can use this headset for all kinds of different VR experiences, from playing games like Beat Saber, which is a fun dancing VR game. You can also watch VR movies, do trainings, meet up in virtual worlds with your friends, and much more. In order to create a vision for the Studio X space and programming, the library is engaged with 121 participants who told us they wanted access to space, expertise, technology, and finally, community. All of our students will have access to a range of spaces within Studio X, as well as a variety of equipment, including the Oculus Quest 2s, HoloLens 2s, mixed reality headsets, 3D scanners, 360 cameras, and more. In addition to space and technology, Studio X will provide tons of introductory hands-on workshops for 3D tools such as Blender, Unity, and more. We'll also host speaker events with experts in industry, education, and the arts, and provide fun virtual reality competitions.